The day has finally arrived. It's time for Orlando Hamcation. Heading towards the gate. Let's get started. Good morning, folks, and welcome to Orlando, Florida. Today is day one, officially day one of Hamcation. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Welcome to Ham Shack TV. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So we're walking through the campground area, heading towards the gates. It's a little early. It's only 8:45, but maybe we can already see some stuff. We'll see. Alright. Got some pelicans. I might need to visit there. After the success of last night's stream, I might need some pelicans to carry my gear a little better. At least my streaming gear. Motorola stuff, hats, different things. Got a pizza vendor. There's the ice cream booth we were talking about on the live stream last night. That thing's pretty cool. Burgers, sausage, onion, peppers, beer. I don't know if I've been to a hamfest with beer. That's pretty cool. Walking tacos, nachos.
Cable like that. Right.
There's an Aries trailer. Here comes the Skywarn trailer. Got a lemonade bar on this side. More food back there. See another food truck of different sorts: hamburgers, hot dogs, corn dog, cold drink. This trailer has one heck of a hydraulic mast in it. All right, we're gonna walk down towards the swaps building. See what we might be able to see down there.
Yeah, right?
Good looking drone there. I'll probably put mine up after a while. Get a view of everything as it's going on. Walking into the swaps building. right. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Okay. I think you'll probably turn loose that pretty quick today.
This right here is covered that goes with it. And that's how he's looking at.
Oh,
There's call signs on there.
That's
He
cool.
built this and videotaped building it. It's made with all the solid state modules and stuff. And then he had to hardwire, interconnect all the modules. So it took him a month to do it.
Wow.
And he had to get guidance and stuff from all the people who built the modules to do it.
That's cool.
Six is a handle maximum of 6 or 7 watts in. That's all you put into it.
Yeah.
1 watt on 80 meters will put out 300 watts AM. See that?
That's really cool. It's really cool.
Kind of unique, you know. It's a home-built solid state, but built out of commercial available.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Good luck. I hope you get it going. Yeah, you too.
Cheers. All right. Thanks, guys. Hear my wife's ringtone? Listen, my wife. She's an American woman. That's her ringtone.
That's already not.
Smell these strips. If I want to put something on my camper, I might end up doing that. Little typewriter. Solar. Not bad price for a little Mac there. $160. He'll sell that pretty quick.
Yeah.
I feel like I need one of these with my daughters. Like the on-air sign there. The no button.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
3D printers.
Yeah, I got 2 bamboos.
Boron.
Now, Bruce and me got 5.
fell some.
Then they got
Are we live?
We're not live. Just recording.
Josh,
What's up?
Steve from down here in Florida.
Finally.
I know, right? I was going to get by and
Catching up with
see you yesterday, and we just got busy, so I'll get around and see you, buddy.
Yeah, I'm around.
Now, are you gonna? Is it recording so that we can watch it later?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Where do we go?
Ham Shack TV. Matter of fact, just go to YouTube.
Oh, you're media.
Yep.
You're a media badge.
Yep.
Okay.
Go to YouTube and go to Ham Shack TV and you'll find it.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Our folks still setting up. And this is just day one. You got a bunch of lights here, tail lights, different things. But people see you with a camera and they want to start talking. Oh boy. Tech Omni 7. Boy, I love 10 Tech. I wish that 10 Tech was still in Sevierville, Tennessee, but it's not.
Turned on the micro repeater and hooked it to the internet, stuck it on my living room wallpaper. And I sat there with this radio. I'm just trying to reduce everything like that. You know, I'm at the age now where I don't need all this stuff.
no problem.
Okay.
Audio TTZ stuff.
So good. I know. I got to find out the song.
I need a rollator.
Trying to find somebody to sell it to.
Lots of computer stuff. You get that at Hamfests. You've seen that. And this is actually technically not just a Hamfest. They are billing it as Orlando Hamcation 2026 Amateur Radio and Electronics Show. That's some HF gear right here. Kenwood TS2000, the tried and true. a Yaesu 950, 7300, 7000, 991A, 7410, watt meter, and a power supply back there. Plenty of rollout antennas.
Yeah, I'm at 90. Look at the card 90.
So it's like,
Craft KX3. He'll sell that pretty quick, guaranteed.
I told him you were just picking the antennas for the car to leave out.
You want one of these to put on that antenna? Pick anybody's eye out.
Yeah, if you don't mind. It had the rubber sleeve on it, and I went and picked it up the other day. Gone.
So this needs to be glued on, I guess.
I'm probably gonna swap it out at some point. Wow.
Well, it was a good try.
Yeah. Appreciate the try. I'll replace it here at some point. So my rubber sleeve on my antenna for my D75 has just came off. So, oops. We'll get a replacement antenna sometime while I'm here. Matter of fact, there's some right there. I'm not going to jump straight at doing it though. Some ham sticks there. Oh, looky there. Atari 8000, and it's running, y'all. That's pretty cool. Just saying, that's pretty cool.
And you hook the wiring up. But I show you how to do it. There's a video. Assembly.
Yeah.
Well, the difference between the C and the earlier ones is the other one just uses a Dell iPad over there. This is totally
What did they go for new offer?
that is $14.99.
Didn't come over.